Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's September 18th when I'm recording this. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. I got some interesting things to show you this morning. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to be showing you what I actually post in the Moxie Indicator Mastery, which is the trading room for me, the Moxie Indicator, and just show you what I'm actually giving you guys to the subscribers who are in there. So a little sneak peek. Hope you guys enjoy it and show you that what we're doing in there. So this was the post. You can see it was from Friday. I'm on the West Coast time, so this is basically noon. The market closes at 1 West Coast time, so an hour before the market closed. And I said, Tesla had a good move. It had a good size gap between price and the daily 8. Wonder how it will resolve. That, of course, is sarcastic. And I said I would not initiate long here. And then today, you can see here, we open up at 6:39 this morning, so about 9 minutes into the market. I said Tesla doing that little pullback as I posted last week when I showed the gap between price and the daily 8. Not sure how far it'll drop or if this will end up being a dip buy, but I could say for sure that going long at the end of the week was not a good idea. So let's go take a look at what that looked like. And you can see right in through here, we're getting that pullback. And there are a few things that, for those who are inside of the Moxie trading room that I actually teach, a little bit about, running from one side to the other, and also about some gaps in through here. And basically, if you were chasing last week, it did not go well. So you are right back to where you would have begun. And I could see this. I could see this for several days. And these are the things that I was giving to my subscribers and saying, look, this is not a good situation. It's kind of the same thing as Microsoft. And through here, I was talking about them here as well, and I said, look, this is not looking great. This is, yes, it's had a bit of a move up, but I think this is more kind of a oversold bounce, the kind of a reaction rally. Essentially, what happened was price got over the daily 50 while the Moxie indicator was significantly below 0. And at some point, it just wasn't going to happen. And you could also see that price was trying to move up across a downtrending daily 50. So, the market just continues to be not so great out there. I would continue to lay low. There's really not too much going on. Day trade if you can. But then remember, we have the FOMC coming up on Wednesday, and maybe that'll be a mover, whether it's good or bad. I mean, maybe it's going to break the market out of its funk, and we'll get things to start going down in earnest. Or maybe it's going to inspire the market and be like, oh, okay, finally they backed off or something. I don't know. But the idea that we've been in a very kind of sideways market for September, well, September is definitely living up to its seasonal, historical seasonal composure being just typically weak. And that's what we're seeing, just not much happening in through here. So, that's kind of just starting to degrade a little bit. Now, underneath the surface, things are still pretty bad. It's like only 30% of names are above their 50-day SMA. So until things start to change and we get some sort of spark, there's not much to do other than day trade and keep it real short and maybe just keep it in cash. This is not really a great environment right now. All right, guys, thanks again. And if you have any questions, curiosity about getting into the Moxie Indicator Trading Room, we have a $7 trial for 30 days. So come on in, check it out, pick up the tool, and I think you guys will be happy about it. All right, see you soon.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.